Hello guys, welcome back to the video. It's your boy Esin, and today I'm going to answer two questions. Alright, why Cash App unverify your account, and how you can prevent that from happening, and also how to verify your account if Cash App has unverified your account. Okay, so that's three, not two. That's three. Okay, so guys, if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon so the person notify whenever I upload video like this. And guys, please, if at the end of the video help you guys, please give it a thumbs up, share the video, comment down below your thoughts, comment below what you think, and also comment down below what you want me to upload next. And I'm very sorry that I've been consistent uploading videos because I'm very busy with school and with my family. So but guys, I promise you guys I'll be consistent. Like I'll be posting 3 videos a week. Okay, 3 videos a week. All right. So guys, before we go into a video, guys, I'd like to say something, guys. Please, the personal help assistant that I used to offer, right, has come to an end, guys. I do not offer personal assistance anymore, right? I'm very sorry. It's just because I've been helping a lot of Nigerian guys. Okay, when I help them, when they DM me, when I help them, guys, at first when they come to me, they are very rude. When I say I won't help you because you're rude, they say they're sorry, blah 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 blah. Okay, I say no problem. This is my subscriber. Let me just help you guys. When I help them and it worked for them, guys, they probably don't be signing on this device in Cash App, right? When I help them and it worked for them, guys, I'll just ask them, please bro, can you just comment on my video that what I posted actually worked for you. They automatically and instantly block me. Then after, like, let me say 2 weeks later, they come back to me saying that they have another problem, that please let me help them, guys. Guys, you tell me how you feel if you're in my shoes, guys. So that's why I've stopped the personal assistance that I usually offer. Okay, so guys, without that, if I delay, guys, let's go to a video. Okay, so guys, why do Cash App unverify your account? Guys, it's very easy. Cash App unverify your account due to the number of transactions you do per day. All right, Cash App is subdivided into 2 accounts. We have the personal account and the business account. So now, why will you be using a personal account for business purposes? Okay, a personal account, all right, normally, like for example, I'm an individual, right? I have a Cash App account. Okay, who on earth, all right, we do like more than 20 transactions or even 20 transactions per day for a personal account? If you're selling something, and no, if you're trying to buy something, right, and you send, that's normal, guys. Be you receiving more than 20 payments per day, guys? Come to think of it, guys, isn't that account meant for a business account? So Cash App tracks all your transactions, and they come to a conclusion that you are using that platform for a business purposes while you are on a personal account. Okay, now Cash App business account, they cut a commission from it, like let me say 2.7 something percent they cut from each of your transaction, guys. So guys, if you don't want your Cash App to be unverified very soon, change your account type from a personal to a business type. All right, Cash App cut a percentage, but trust me, guys, you can do like, let me say 10,000, a million transactions per day without your account being unverified. Okay, so guys, that's all. And how to solve if your Cash App is unverified, guys, there is no shortcut. Okay, you have to verify your account the same way you did last time doing your verification. That's the same way you have to do, guys. Don't let anyone comment on my video saying that there's a shortcut. They refer someone on IG to verify your account, but guys, they are all scams. I repeat, they are all scams. Do not fall for that, guys. So guys, without that, I've connected to the video. And guys, I'm very sorry. Good morning and happy Sunday. As you all can see, I'm dressed in my Sunday attire and I'm heading to church right now. That is why this video never took long. So guys, I've explained everything, guys. A personal account can receive, a personal account should not exceed more than 5 transactions per day. Okay, should not, because when it goes to 10, 15, 20, 30, automatically that's a business account. Okay, when I say transaction, guys, I mean you receiving money, not you sending out, you receiving money. All right, that's a business account, right? So just go to your personal platform, right, scroll right down, change account type, you see business, they click on business, guys, just confirm it, guys, and that's all, guys. So guys, without that, according to our video, guys, please, if this video help you, guys, please give it a thumbs up, share the video, subscribe, and comment down below what you think, comment down below what you want me to do next, and comment down below your thoughts. All right, so without that, guys, see you on the next video. Right, peace out and happy Sunday. Bye.